Good morning, sir. This is B. Srividya from CSE section. Today I am here to tell about the risk management of software engineering from the subject software engineering. Today we are discussing about the risk management. What is the risk management? What are the advantages and the disadvantages of the risk management? What are the policies of a risk management? Introduction to risk management. Introduction to risk management in software engineering. Risk management is a crucial aspect of software engineering that involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks throughout the project lifecycle. Effective risk management helps organizations minimize the potential losses and enhance project success rates. Understanding risk factors can lead to better decision making and resource allocation in software development projects. Here the risk management plays a crucial role in the software engineering field. It involves the identifying, assessing, and modifying the risk throughout the project life cycle. The effective risk management means by effective risk management helps the organization to minimize their helps to minimize the losses and the time management. Understanding the risk factors can lead to better decision making, resource allocation in software development projects. Types of risks in software engineering. There are various types of risk in software engineering, including technical and project management and organizational risk. Technical risk may involve issues related to technology choices, system architecture, or integration challenges. Project management risk often arises from scheduling, budgeting, and stakeholders communication issues. Here the types of various risk are two types, that is the technical and project management. Now, going to the technical risk, it involves the technology choices, system architecture, and integration challenges, and whereas the project management risk often arise from the scheduling, budgeting, and stakeholder communication issues. What is the risk identification technique? How can we identify the risk, and what are the techniques? Risk identification is the first step in effective risk management and can be achieved through brainstorming sessions and expert interviews. By risk identification means it plays a crucial role in the risk management and achieved through brainstorming sessions and expert interviews. Other techniques include checklists, SWOT analysis, and reviewing historical data from previous projects. The goal is to create a comprehensive list of potential risks that may impact of the project success. Means the other techniques by the other techniques there is also other techniques, that is checklist, SWOT analysis, reviewing historical data from the previous project. The goal is to create the comprehensive list of potential risks that may impact the project as well. What is the risk assessment methods? Once risks are identified, they must be assessed for their potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. Qualitative assessment methods involve categorizing risk based on severity and probability, often using a risk matrix. Quantitative assessment methods use statistical techniques to evaluate risk and providing a more data-driven approach to decision making. The qualitative assessment methods it involves only categorizing risk based on probability and using a risk matrix, whereas the quantitative assessment method it uses on the statistical techniques and it evaluates risk by providing the data-driven approach for decision making. Risk prioritization. What is the risk assessment? After assessing the risk, prioritization is necessary to focus resources on the most critical risks. Risk can be prioritized using factors such as impact, severity, likelihood of occurrence, and time sensitivity. The prioritization helps ensure that the project team addresses the most significant threat to project success first. Means here the risk prioritization. We have to give more priority to risk to identify the risk. Based on the risk, identifying the risk, and we can move faster in the project life cycle, and we can complete the project as soon as possible without any losses, failures, and manage the time and managing the time management. Risk mitigation strategies aim to reduce the likelihood or impact of the identified risk through proactive measures. Common strategies include risk avoidance, risk transfer, risk acceptance, and risk reduction techniques. Each strategy should be tailored to fit the specific context and the nature of the identified risk. The mitigation strategies it mainly aims to reduce the likelihood. Reduce the likelihood or impact of identified risk through proactive means the risk through proactive measures or reduce it through the mitigation. The common strategies include risk avoidance. What is the risk avoidance? Risk transfer, risk acceptance, and risk reduction technique. Each strategy will be tailored to fit the specific context. What is the risk monitoring review? Continuous monitoring of risk throughout the software development lifecycle is essential for effective risk management. Regular reviews of the risk help teams to stay informed about new risks and changes in existing ones. This proactive approach allows for the timely adjustment to risk mitigation plans and strategies. What is the role of stakeholders in risk management? Engaging stakeholders in the risk management process is vital for the gathering diverse perspective on potential risks. Stakeholders can provide valuable insights based on the expertise and experience, enhancing the risk identification process. Communication with the stakeholders ensures that everyone is aware of risk and the strategies in place to manage them. Tools for risk management. Several tools and software applications can assist in managing the risk effectively in a software engineering project. These tools may include risk management software, project management platforms, and collaborative documentation tools. Utilizing the right tools can streamline the risk management process and improve the overall project visibility. Conclusions and best practices. Effective risk management is essential for the success of software engineering projects and should be integrated into the development process. Adopting the best practices such as regular risk assessment, stakeholder engagement, and the use of appropriate tools can enhance risk management efforts. By fostering a culture of proactive risk management, organizations can improve their ability to deliver successful software projects. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.